$50. Oh my god. $993 miles. 7 more miles and we will be doing our first ever wide open throttle pull in WRX, you guys. 7 more miles. We are finally done with the braking period in 7 more miles. Got a full tank of gas. We're ready to do this thing. All right, you guys. We are at 998.3 miles right now. I think that's close enough. So we're about to get on the road right here. It's a nice straightaway. Gonna turn the AC off. And we're gonna do our first ever pull in the WRX. Never have gone over 4,000 RPMs in this car. So we'll see how this goes. All right, AC off. Let's make sure the coast is clear. Looks pretty damn clear to me. Let's go. Second gear pull. That is not what I was expecting. All right, we're gonna go again. Gonna make a right turn here. Gonna do another quick pull. Wow. That is not anywhere near what I was expecting. I'm I'm very disappointed right now. Wow. The car legit completely falls on its face after 4,000 RPMs. From 2,500 to 4,000 RPMs, it's in boost and it's pulling. And then as soon as you hit 4,000 RPMs, after that to redline, it just completely loses its power. Like, it just completely poops on itself. Like, wow, I was not expecting that. I honestly was thinking that it was just gonna be quick the whole way through, but honestly, I think my 17 Focus ST is quicker from a rolling standpoint than this car. I mean, obviously this car with all-wheel drive, it'd be quicker from like a dig, but as far as rolling like this on the road, this is definitely slower. With the ST, I would feel like it would be pulling the whole way through until redline. This car, after 4,000 RPMs, I mean, there's really no point of even continuing to give it gas by that. So you might as well shift and go into the next gear and floor it again, because you might as well have more power like that than just continuing to go until redline on this car. That, I don't know, I'm sure it's the stock tune. I've heard that the stock tune on this car absolutely sucks, but I'm honestly very disappointed on how badly this car just falls on its face after 4,000 RPMs. Well, next mod definitely, or one of the next mods for this car, is gonna have to be the axis support, because this stock tune is gonna have to go. This car has a lot of low end power, but as far as top end, that was absolutely awful. I can't believe how bad that was. Alright guys, well, there you have it. That basically answers the title of this video. Is the WRX quick? Is it fast? This car is very quick. It has a lot of low-end power up until 4,000 RPMs, but honestly after that, I mean, it's really disappointing how how much it just poops on itself. I mean, it just really falls flat onto its face. You know, and low in torque, I mean low in power, that's good for city driving and stuff like that. You know, it's good because it'll get you a smile, it'll get a smile on your face around the city. But when you're trying to hit some top speeds, I mean, that's when it's really gonna disappoint you, because after 4,000 RPMs, it feels like the car just gets so restricted, and like it just completely doesn't want you to go fast. It's like, yeah, have fun up until 4,000 RPMs, then right after that, let me just completely take the fun away, and let me just turn into a really slow car. And it kind of feels like the car just, it's picking up, going fast, and then after 4,000 RPMs, it just slows down. Like, it feels like the car just bogs down, slows down, and then you're just like, what the heck just happened? And I had the AC off, everything, and I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the stock tune. So in a future video, I will upgrade the tune. I will do an off-the-shelf tune from Cobb when I get the access port. No intake, no anything, just completely stock, both off-the-shelf tune. And we'll see what type of a difference that'll make in the future. But for now, you know, I mean, the car is fun, low end, but if you're really trying to get up to top speed and stuff like that, I mean, it really just slows down, and it's like, I don't know, it just completely falls on its face. That's like the best way for me to say it. It just completely just freaking dies on you after 4,000 RPMs. It just slows down so much, and it feels like the car is so restricted after 4,000 RPMs. Like, it's just so restricted, and they don't want you to go that fast after you hit 4K. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.